Risk assets are weak early this morning, but there seemed to get a little bit of a lift after the consumer confidence data came out in the U.S. But first, let's talk about where they are. We've got the Russell down about 0.8%, the NASDAQ down about 0.4%, the S&P down 0.25%, and the Dow basically right at the flat line. German GDP was better than expected, and that consumer confidence, this is the Conference Board's consumer confidence, the headline came out at 103.1 versus a last of 101.9. The expectations were for when in the 100 level. You're looking at the business confidence, current conditions, 134.4 versus 131.1, and even future expectations are 82.5 versus 81.1. So better across the board, and that's helping risk assets like stocks come off the mat a little bit. Yields are rising with commodities dropping, not dramatically, but we're looking at the 2-year yield up 5 basis points at 396, the 5-year up 4 at 370, 10-year up 4 at 386, 30-year up 4 at 415. No real change on the 2s, 10s inversion. Gold, silver, and crude oil are all down. Gold is down 0.4%, silver 0.6%, crude 1.2%, but copper is higher by about 1/3 of 1%. The dollar is mixed right now, and in the aggregate, it's lower, but it's down against the euro, and it's up against the euro and it's slightly down against the yen. Critical earnings tomorrow is what really the markets are waiting for. Big technology companies like NVIDIA, that is the big $1 trillion company that everyone's been waiting for. But we also get Salesforce, CrowdStrike, HP, NetApp, and Affirm Holdings, all big names as we come into the end of the earnings season. Looking ahead, earnings after the close today, 9 companies reporting with over $1 billion in market cap, including SentinelOne, Box Incorporated, and Nordstrom. Before tomorrow's open, 14 companies with $1 billion or more in market cap reporting earnings, including consumer names like J.M. Smucker, Chewy, Abercrombie & Fitch, Bed Bath & Body, and Kohl's. Data tonight, Japanese Coincident Index and the revision of their leading economic index. Tomorrow, U.S. mortgage data, and then speeches by Fed Governor Christopher Waller and Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic.